Hello, I'm going to show you how to place people on your structure with APLGO, right? So it's very simple, just follow along and you'll be able to understand. Are you with me? Okay, so the very first step is you log in, of course, which I'm in my dashboard right now. So if you notice, I'm just discovering APLGO actually uses the name tag something, the holding tank system, which is one of the best I know of. That is, if people register, they don't just get automatically placed, they stay in where we call the holding tank, so that you can check your structure and see, should I put them to the left or to the right? Where should I put them? After you've decided, then you can now place them and they'll be there. So if you notice, maybe anytime you have a registration, it might always appear here telling you you have so and so dates to be able to place them somewhere, or the company will automatically do it for you. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do the placement. All right, so the first thing to do after logging in is to come to binary tree. Can you see? Come to binary tree, then make sure you click on graphic view. It's going to view. Great, now this is my graphic view. Now what you do at this point is, this is your tree, this is your organization. Now as you can see, from spillovers alone, you can see I have a leg 1, I have a leg 2. Most of my the people here are just paid their 25. So I think the best way for people to secure their position is to pay their 25, because right now I have people who have just only paid 25, and for that reason they are just there, you understand? So again, how the company works is, if let's say if you actually leave it, they have a specific I think it's 5 days. Once it's more than 5 days, they will automatically put the person on your weaker leg, so that it can count for you, and at least you will be able to have an even growth. Do you understand? All right, so now to do the placement, all you have to do is select where you want them to be. If you are not sure of how your structure is, just come here and click the one. It will bring down who is below. So you can see I have someone who has paid $600 on my direct left, which is my leg 1. If you want to see, come over and click view 3. So the goal here is to be able to know. So you can see, look, observe by the left here, you can see 880, 692. So this is the structure, this is the structural arrangement, you understand? So this person is under this, like that, it keeps showing. So if you want to still see again, you click here and you go to view 3. What I want to do at this point is, what you want to also do now, they will show you, you will notice the name of the person who just joined but hasn't been placed yet below. You can see it here. So all you have to do is to just come, if you want it to be fast. Now if I want to place the person here, I will come over here, but I don't want to do that. What I want to do is, I want to place this person on my leg 2. So I'm going to click on here. Can you see leg 2? Just click on this ID. So what you're telling the system to do is, take me to the person on the farthest light, or on the farthest, that's the far, you know, it's like a V. So what you're telling the structure is, take me to the person on the farthest right, or the farthest right. So in this case, I'm putting this person on my farthest left. Do you understand? On my farthest right. So all you do is click on the leg 2, the ID number here, and you can see again on the right, on the up left, you can see it's showing this person. This is how long it is. So it means that this the other leg has been having activity going automatically. Spillovers fall on the other leg. So what I want to do is, I want to build this other rights. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to come here and just click here. You will see add, can you see open position, add associate? You just click on add associate. It will now ask you, do you want to place this person? Are you sure? The branch currently has no saved volume and is small for you. Okay, so they will tell you once it's done, no, you know, go reverse some. Are you sure you want to place the person here? So once you're good with it, all you have to do is just click on yes, and once it's done, boom, your placement is fixed. So look at it now. This is the person here. Can you see? This is the person I just placed. The person already has a downlight, so you can see. So this is how you can do your placement. This is how simple it is. And you know, right now, let's say if I have someone next, this is where the person will fall. Can you see? I'm going to place the person here, and this is how you can be able to grow together, build a team. All right, so I hope you got value. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video.